how to verify with Rover Discord bot. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to verify with the Rover Discord bot. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, open your internet browser. Go to Google and type Rover link in the search bar. Click on the official website, Rover link. Once you're on the home page, click the sign in button. Now click the pink login with Discord button. This will bring up an authorization window. Click authorize to continue. You'll now be taken back to the Rover homepage. Click on your username at the top right, then select verification. Now you'll see a checklist. Make sure to go through and select all the relevant options. Once done, click the pink continue button at the bottom. You'll be redirected to a page with a login with Roblox button. Click it. If you get an error saying you're not allowed to choose the application, click the back button and try again. Once it finds your Roblox account, click the blue continue button. Then scroll down and click the blue confirm and give access button. Wait a few seconds and your account will be verified successfully. That's all for the video. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.